So to add or update your avatar on Binance, the first thing you need to do is visit the official Binance website, which is binance.com, and log in with your credentials. That is username or email. Don't forget to add your password. Then the next thing you're gonna do is click on your profile icon, which is located at the top right corner of the home page. The next thing you're gonna do is select dashboard. You see in the drop down menu that will appear, and then from there click on settings. Now in the settings menu, you're going to see an option that says my profile. Click on it. And under my profile, you're going to see avatar and nickname. So choose the option to change your avatar and set your nickname. Now, if you own NFT assets, you can choose one of your collection to use as your avatar. If you don't own any NFT avatars, you can visit the Binance NFT avatar collections page to explore and purchase one. Now, that is binance.com/English/avatars. Now, after that, you enter your desired nickname in the provided field. Note that users who have set their nicknames in the past will need to set a new one, as all past nicknames have been cleared to streamline the Binance ecosystem. After selecting your avatar and setting your nickname, click Save to apply the changes. Simple as that. By following these steps, you can personalize your Binance profile with your new avatar and nickname.